So we are doing today dissolution when one partner is insolvent. So let's start with the step-by-step solution. Yeah, you can read the sum. Following is the balance sheet of the Kadam, Shinde and Chauhan. So there are three partners. Now in these three partners, profit sharing ratio they have given half, 1/6 and 1/3. So we need to convert this into the ratio. So I just show you how to convert the ratio. That is 1/2, 1/6 and 1/3. That is we take a LCM for this. So 3, 1 and 2. Therefore the ratio would be 3:1:2. So this is a new PSR, or we can say this is the PSR, profit sharing ratio. Now the balance sheet is on 31st March 2019. Okay, so first, now what we do is we post everything. So before we post, just want to inform you which are the ledger accounts we need to prepare. So realization account approx 20 lines, partners capital account 15 lines, cash bank account 15 lines approximately, and partners loan account, because in this sum we have Kadam's loan account, so approximately a very small ledger 4 lines. So now we post first into the respective posting into the ledger accounts. So first we post partners capital, that is given the Kadam Shinde. It's on the liability side, so it is on partners capital account credit side. You can see on the asset side Chauhan's capital, it's given asset side means it's a debit balance, it's a loss, so it's more, he has more withdrawn, so basically capital account given on the asset side, so we'll post on the debit side. One more item we will post in the partners capital account right now, that is a profit and loss account. It's given like a miscellaneous losses again on the partners capital account debit side, and general reserve it is given over here, that we record partners capital account credit side in the profit sharing ratio. So have a look. So I have posted opening balances. So these are the opening balances of the Kadam and Shinde. So the Kadam has 36,000, Shinde is with this amount, and Chauhan's capital we write on the debit side because it has a debit balance, asset side given. We distribute, we transfer profit and loss account. This is a asset side given, so this is a loss, so we distributed in the profit sharing ratio, as well as reserves and surpluses like general reserve we distributed in the profit sharing ratio, the partners capital credit side. So now the next posting is given liability side, Kadam's loan account. So we post into, we prepare a Kadam's loan account and we post on the credit side of the Kadam's loan because it is given in the liability side. So we record over here by balance brought down. This is opening balance we record, that is a Kadam's loan account. So after this, now we have two outside liabilities that we transfer to realization account. This is a posting, this is a transfer, initial transfer, right? So we write over here realization account credit side, by transfer liabilities creditors and bills payable both we write at the book value. Remember the book value we have to record, and the amount is 30,000. So we recorded on the book value. Now on the asset side, building, machine, furniture, stock, debtors and bills receivable. That's it. These are the assets we have to transfer to realization debit side. So we have recorded again all the assets to transfer assets with the book value, respective book value on the realization account debit side, again total outer column. So moving ahead with opening balance of bank is given, so that is 4,500, you can see that. So we create a ledger of cash and bank account, debit side it's given on the asset side, so debit balance to balance brought down, it's given 4,500. Now so after all this posting, we shall move to the adjustments. First adjustment we are doing with the first adjustment: building 27,000, machine 18,000, debtors 27,500 and goodwill 1350 realized. रियलाइज का मतलब क्या होता है कि वो बेच दिया, पार्टनरशिप फर्म ने बेच दिया एंड पैसा आ गया. डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, पैसा आया एंड ये फ़ायदा हुआ. सो रियलाइजेशन इज अ नॉमिनल अकाउंट, सो वी रिकॉर्ड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट एज नॉमिनल रूल सेज credit the incomes and gain. So there are two effects. I repeat, one is realization account credit side, second is cash or bank account debit side, what comes in. So we post over here realization account credit side by creating a heading by cash or bank account, and we are writing the all the agreed value and not the book value. This is the agreed value, adjustment values and total on the outer side. And the second effect, cash and bank account debit side to realization account, and this is a total directly we can write over here. After this, second adjustment. So we finished first one. Now the second one is a partner Kadam took over furniture and stock at 30,000 and agreed to pay creditors at a discount of 750, but we do first half. So till 30,000. So Kadam took over furniture and stock of rupees 30,000. So far. So यहाँ तक हम लोग adjustment करने वाले हैं till 30,000. Okay. Again, to effect, partner took over. So debit side of the partner's capital, and again realization credit side because partner is going to pay to the company or partnership firm. And again nominal credit the incomes and gain. So we record partners capital debit side in the Kadam's column, that is to realization account, that is 30,000 rupees what he took over the assets. So second effect, partners capital में डाल दिया, उसके बाद realization में. So realization credit side by Kadam's capital he took over the furniture and the stock worth rupees 30,000. The latter part is the creditors. He also took over the creditors but at a discount of 750. Now the creditors values is given over here, that is 18,750. उसमें से 750 माइनस कर देने का, so the amount would be 18,000 obviously. So 18,750 था, 750 का डिस्काउंट मिला. So now we have to pay how much? 18,000. The firm is paying 18,000? No, that Kadam, he is taking over the creditors at rupees 18,000. So Kadam ने liability pay किया है, partner ने liability pay किया है. So again two effect. So we record partner's capital credit side and realization debit side. So partner's capital credit side again by realization account what he paid 18,000. So 18,750 में से 750 माइनस कर दिया, 18,000 रुपया उससे पे किया. The second effect we post on the Kadam's capital account, that is 18,000. I have shown over here 18,750 minus 750. Moving to the third adjustment, that Shinde took over the bills receivable at 7,800 and paid bills payable in full. So he's taking over the assets, at the same time he's also taking the responsibility to pay the liability. So इसमें दो एंट्री अलग अलग है. First half bills payable 7,800. So 7,800 Shinde. So again realization credit side, the very first effect. Yeah, so by Shinde's capital account over here, so we write over here, this is by Shinde's capital account. He's taking over the 7,800 rupees ka this bills receivable, and at the same time we record in the partner's capital account debit side in the Shinde's column realization account 7,800. And at the same time he has taken the responsibility of bills payable. So we record on the debit side also the Shinde's capital 11,250, that is the bills payable, and again on the credit side of the partner's capital Shinde's column by realization account of bills payable obligation, he is taking charge of that. Coming to ahead, now the fourth adjustment, ये सब करने के लिए डिसोल्यूशन एक्सपेंस होता है. सो बाय 2400, सो वी आर डूइंग नाउ फोर्थ एडजस्टमेंट. सो 2400 का एक्सपेंस हो गया, पैसा चला गया, सो कैश में से बाहर निकल गया, कैश को क्रेडिट करो and realization expense debit. So realization expense account debit side over here, so to cash or bank account 2400, and the second effect is by realization account that is given 2400 rupees. Now the fifth is so important that one partner become insolvent. This makes your entire sum different now with the regular sum. So, and the information is given, the no amount was recovered from his estate, so he is bringing nothing, so zero capital is bringing, but he became the insolvent. So now what happens, we become insolvent. So whenever we pass the insolvency का entry, we make sure कि सब कुछ हम लोग ने कर लिया, उसके पहले सब कुछ हो गया. We close realization also, and if any outside liabilities अगर बाकी है तो हम लोग उसको भी पे करना पड़ेगा. So I think कदम्स लोन एक है जो रिपे करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. So first we repay the Kadam's loan by passing the entry that Kadam's loan account के debit में to cash or bank account paid कर दिया 11,500, and at the same time we are closing the Kadam's loans account. It gets daily, no difference in the Kadam's loan, so nothing over here. But at the same time cash में से पैसा चला गया, so credit side by Kadam's loan account 11,250. So again now, so let's make sure कि सब कुछ liabilities वगैरह सब कुछ पे हो गया है, everything is paid, and now we close the realization account. So once we close the realization account, we'll come to know which side is heavier, debit or credit. Over here it looks like a debit side is heavier. If meter total, that is a 1,39,650, that's showing a heavier total. We record on the both the side, and I have minus subtracted that credit side. So I got 18,000 rupees का difference. Now this 18,000 we have to distribute amongst the partners, because partners भी bear करेगा यहाँ पे. भले चौहान insolvent है फिर भी यहाँ पे वो भी bear करेगा, कदम, शिंदे, चौहान. So in the respective profit sharing ratio, that is 9,000, 3,000 and 6,000 rupees. So that we post on the realization account में तो हो गया, so that we post into the partners capital account debit side the realization loss 9,000, 3,000 and 6,000. तो हम लोग ने ये देख लिया कि अभी इंसॉल्वेंसी का एंट्री पास करना है और इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर कुछ भी नहीं लेके आ रहा है, तो उसके पहले हम लोग ने रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट भी क्लोज कर दिया. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ट्रीटमेंट द insolvency that no amount is recovered from his private estate, and Chavan becomes insolvent. So I'll show you the how to do this. Now what you have to do is, सबसे पहला तो just figure out के कौन insolvent हुआ. तो यहाँ पे Chavan is insolvent, so I just zero out the Chavan over here, that is the this partner is insolvent. अभी क्या करो, insolvent जो partner है उसका total मारना पड़ेगा. So definitely on the debit side we have these three amounts. तो हम लोग ने ये तीन अमाउंट का टोटल पास कर दिया, एंड उसका टोटल आ रहा है 19,500. रिकॉर्ड ऑन द बोथ द साइड 19,500. आफ्टर दिस 19,500 अभी मेंटल मैक्स करना है आपको. ये 19,500 में से यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 6,000 रुपीज़. तो इसमें से जो पैसा आप माइनस करते हो, जो बैलेंस बचा, वो जो बैलेंस का आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक बैलेंस मेंटल मैक्स में लिखना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू दिस. सो द अमाउंट इज 19,500 था हम लोग के पास, और उसमें से हम लोग ने 6,000 रुपया माइनस कर दिया. सो बचा अपने पास 13,500. सो द डिफरेंस इज 13. आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग ओवर हियर फॉर योर रेफरेंस. सो डिफरेंस इज 13,500, और ये 13,500 को हम लोग को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा इन द रिस्पेक्टिव सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर. जो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर है उनके रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना पड़ेगा. तो उनका रेशियो में हम लोगों ने डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, एंड मुझे आंसर मिला 10,125 एंड 3,375. नाउ वी हैव टू पास अ काउंटर एंट्री फॉर दैट. सो मैंने चौहान के कॉलम ये दो अमाउंट लिख दिया जो इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर है, मगर यूज़ किया चौहान का कॉलम, और मैंने लिखा है पार्टनर्स का नाम कदम्स कैपिटल एंड शिंडेज कैपिटल. On the same side, means on the same capital account, on the opposite side, sorry. So on the opposite side we have to pass the entry now. We will use Kadam's column and Shinde's column, but we will like to have name of the Chavan's capital the same entry we are passing. After all this entry, we are closing now the remaining partners. Now remaining partners are Kadam and Shinde. So make sure that उनका भी लेजर मुझे क्लोज करना है. So अभी उनका लेजर क्लोज करने के टाइम पे आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि विच साइड इज हेवियर. अगेन वन बाय वन करते हैं. पहले शिंदे करते हैं. सो शिंदे का क्रेडिट साइड इज हेवियर by 46,500 and we deduct all the debit column and we got the answer 31,950. Kadams again with the same note 63,000 heavy है. मैंने क्रेडिट का टोटल डेबिट में लिखा एंड मैंने डेबिट माइनस कर दिया. सो आई लेफ्ट विद द आंसर 12,750. दिस इज द कैपिटल दैट a company should pay to the partners. So to cash or bank account, this is a balancing figure 12,750 and 31,950. इसका second effect cash account के credit में pass करना है. So we record on the cash account के credit में by Kadam's capital account and by Shinde's capital account. After this, what we will do now, we just try to tally this ledger, just check it out whether it's equal or not. So by making a total of the debit side, it's coming 58,350 and on the credit side also it's coming 58,350. So this is how it's getting tallied. Okay, so I hope you have liked this and understood well. Okay,